Hi everybody, welcome to Pintober Day 31. Happy Halloween! So I'm not going to do any recipes today or anything crafty, but what I did want to do is announce the winner of the mascara giveaway. I'm going to put her name in the comment down below. Her name is California Kim. Congratulations! I also just want to say how much I enjoyed Pintober. I enjoyed a lot of you fellow YouTubers working hard every day to put out a video, and I just want to say congratulations! We're done. And if you're a new subscriber, definitely keep watching. I'm going to be putting out videos once a week. I'm going to take a week off. I'm going to do recipes, crafty things, and then little updates on Sullivan. Okay, everyone have a fantastic weekend. Yes, a fantastic weekend, and we will see you later. Lots of love from my yard to yours. Bye. Do you see yourself? Do you see yourself? Happy Halloween, everybody. Stay safe. Lots of love.